Welcome to the day 5 of learning Java through project. Here what we learn, what Maven is. Today we will discuss about it. Actually, before knowing what Maven is, we need to know what pom.xml and what it contains. Okay. In pom.xml we have uh, what does pom means? Project object model. Okay. Project means what our project is. In our project we can see that we have these three things. One is group id, another is artifact id, and another is version. Okay, this is our version. And in Spring Boot also you can see these three. Okay, what this does is it is our company name which is unique, and this is also unique. Okay, it provides a unique group id which the organization only have. Okay, and this is the artifact name. Okay, what our project name is, it contains, so it is the project name and the version it is currently. Okay, so this is the project things. And another is dependency, or means object which in turns gives a dependency, and we get a lot of dependency. Okay, for example, in Maven also we get a dependencies. If you scroll down a bit, we can see here a dependency section. Okay, and our project depends on these things. Okay, this thing, without this our project is incomplete. So these are the things that are necessary in order to run our project. Similarly, these things may depends on another things also. Here you can see that in Maven you can see this is depend on this and this depends on this. So it is like transitive, isn't it? One depends on another and another depends on another. So this uh, exists, but we don't need to take care of this all done by Maven. Okay, this work is done by Maven. We just have to put this over here. How we can put this? We have to go to the Maven central repository. This Maven repository we have, and we can just uh, bring over here. Okay, how we can go? Just go here, Maven repository, and you can if I want JPA, then just type JPA, and then it goes over here. And if you scroll down a bit, then you can see here the version it is. Okay, we can just scroll down a bit, and actually we can get in, if you want Gradle you can also get it, ev and sbt everything. Okay, but currently I'm using Maven, so I can just copy and paste under here. Okay, this. And another way of doing is just simple way is just go here Spring Initializer. I think this is the best way of doing dependency, and just type here JPA. Okay, and then click on explore. Here under the dependency section you can get. Okay, just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, yes, I have already done this earlier. We can just copy and paste. After doing this, what it does is all the files I place over here are downloaded from this central repository. Okay, Maven central, it will download and then it will keep inside this folder, em2 folder. Okay, inside this folder all the repository that are needed are kept over here. For example, if I run my application, then it checks whether it is present in here or not. If it is present, it will use from here, otherwise it will go and download it from the central repository. Okay, central repository, the company central repository where it is written here, you can see the source. Okay, if it doesn't find over there, then it will go to the company repository also. Okay, this is how it downloads and keep our file into a local repository and use whenever it needed. For example, if database connection we need, then this will use it. Okay, these are the things that need to be known while using our project. Okay, and I have discussed about project that is unique. Okay, and object means all the dependency as well as dependency upon dependency that we call as object. And then module. In module, what we have a lot of build tool. Okay, for example, we can use this compile. If I run, then it will compile. Here you can see it is compiling and everything is okay. Okay, no issue. And I can also make this as package. Okay, for example, if I do a run, then inside this target folder there will make one file. Okay, jar file, it will make it. So I can host this jar file in Maven Central also, or give it to another friend and he can use it in his laptop, so it will run. Okay, so it will make a package of for us into the target folder. Here you can see here jar file. I can download it and send it to a file my friend in Gmail or anything else. Okay, and he can use and run this. Okay, this is how we can do. And we can also, if I don't want this, I can just clean everything. Okay, I can clean, then it will go from here also. Okay, everything can be clean. You can see nothing is there, target folder is gone. Okay, this is how we do cleaning also. And you can test also. If I want, for example, if I have JUnit testing, I can test our project also. Okay, everything the modules need, it does for us. Okay, it does everything for us. Jar file is gone. This is how it works behind the scene. Okay, and it does everything that our project needed, so that it will be easier for us. That's why we call this Maven as the heart of the Maven as the heart. Okay, pom.xml is the heart of the Maven. Okay, because everything it contains over here and it does all the work for us. Okay, this is the thing that we need to know before diving into the Maven. Thank you for watching, and I have also make one note for you, so you can just go over this note. Thank you for watching. Okay, what it contains, what is Maven, what is pom, what is group ID, object, lifecycle. Okay, Maven is called the heart of the, why it is called, because Maven does all the work. Okay, pom, what to do, we keep over there, and Maven does all the work, so it is called the heart of the. Everything I kept over here, you can just see, so that you can crack the interview. Thank you for watching.